We need to love them. So take a breath and smile at your whānau and tell them you love them. Just tell them. Ngākau Atawhai, the heart that is gentle. Our tūpuna were gentle in so many ways. They didn't smack their pēpi or tamariki, always explaining what kids might have done wrong and what they could have done instead. They were also gentle with their words, never shouting at kids in anger or insulting them. They didn't want to damage their spirit or trample on their mana. But what's the main way to be gentle with our whānau like our tūpuna were? We need to love them. It's at the core of everything, really. The early explorers saw it and thought we were so proud, loving and caring. They wrote about it in their books and letters.
One of the finest traits I have noticed in the New Zealanders is that of parental love. The men appear chiefly to nurse their children and are generally to be seen with one on their back covered up under their mats.
Now we might say, oh yeah, well I do love my kids. But do our kids know that? How do they know? And how often do we tell them? Well, we could tell them we love them. Or we could smile at them whenever we see them. Or show them love with hugs, or cuddles, or kisses, shoulder squeezes, holding hands, tickle attacks, and any other way your whānau shows aroha. My mum used to hold our hands when we were walking or doing whatever, and she would squeeze 3 times for I love you. Now I'm doing that one with my tamariki too, as well as everything else. And we need to do them, even if we're having a hoha day. So take a breath and smile at your whānau and tell them you love them. Just tell them and show them you love them every day. Ngākau Atawhai, the heart that is gentle. It's also the loving heart, Ngākau Aroha, that shares love in many ways.
Mā te whaenga e mahitahi, te whakatipu tamariki, ka kōrero ki Aroha, ki a ranga tira ai e.